Okay, what is up, guys? I know I haven't posted like any content at all lately. That has been because I've just been, at first I was extremely busy with this, doing a whole bunch of stuff for this, and then after that I immediately went to school when I had free time, well, would have had free time. I immediately started going to school. You guys have probably seen, if you follow me on my Instagram, put it right here on the screen, somewhere around here on the screen, flashing or something. If you look at my Instagram, you can keep up with what I'm doing and why I'm not posting videos and why I'm so busy. But as you can see, I have done a little bit of work taking some stuff out and new intake to free up some space, new plug wires, new plugs, all that, new thermostat. And then also I did some other welding on the exhaust, and it now comes out in 2 different pieces, so I can get this chunk right here, so I can get that out. But as you can see, I also painted that with header paint, so it's rust proof. And my friend did this right here, but as you can see, the low life strikes again. Makes it, I don't know, scrape. Yeah, sorry, I'm really tired, guys. But as you can see, I have a GoPro mount right here, and I also drilled out my cat. I was gonna have a video of that, but it turned out being too long. But I drilled out my cat, so this is now louder. So I haven't done a real like exhaust video lately, so I'm gonna do one for you guys real quick, and hope you enjoy. RIP headphone users. And also let you guys know, I was just driving this, so it is warmed up. I'm not revving it on a cold start. As you can tell, it's quite a bit louder. We'll go ahead and set you guys up in here and take you down the road and get it all the way up to the red line. over there filming me. I don't know if she realizes this, but my stock 2.2, when it hits the 6,000 revs, actually stops at 30-ish miles an hour. So it seems like I'm going like 40, 50. I'm actually going really slow, which really sucks. I wish my truck was faster. She's probably calling the cops right now, which I don't know why. I wasn't even going over 30 miles an hour. Speed limit in the neighborhood is 25. Somebody just yelled at me to slow down even though I'm going, look at 30 right there. 30 miles an hour in 4th gear drive. Somebody just yelled at me to slow down even though I'm obviously going the recommended speed limit. I don't get people. Maybe it's the flag. Maybe they're just hating. I guess. Well, hopefully I don't end up getting pulled over tomorrow or whenever the government decides to collect all my money. I don't have anything against cops. I have things against old ladies that like to call in cops for no real specific reason. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video and that short little rant I just had. See, still going speed limit. I should have put one on my gauges when I was doing that rev thing. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe like always. And I probably won't be putting out very much content, so if you like following channels that don't get much content, this would in fact be a good channel to follow, because I do not put out much content currently, because as you can see, this is a big bag of books. My backpack's full of books. I have a lot of stuff to do for school. So see you guys later.